Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to add link into your cards in Trello. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to link the card, you just simply have to open your Trello application at first, and after opening Trello application, just simply open any of the board where you want to create the card with link. Now, I'll just simply tap into this add card option, and now you just simply have to paste the link that you have copied into here and tap the done button. Then card will start to show the link that you have copied. This way you can easily link into cards in Trello. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.